What's up guys, welcome back to another video on the channel, and today I'm going to be going to show you how to put we're going to be going into Unity. We're going to make our first ever account. We're also going to import some files that you will need for this game we're going to make. So let's get into the video. So firstly, make sure you have CodaKit installed and you've paid for it and everything. It will also be in the description. Let me log in quick. So you're gonna need your CodaKit account ready for this video. So I'm just gonna minimize that for now. And what you would see, like in the last video when we installed Unity, and you would be able to see this. It says Unity 2018.3.11. That's what you would need to open today. When you're in CodaKit, by the way, guys, go down to where it says game programming courses, and select CodaKart Racing with Unity and C#, and click on the course. So let's do this. Come on. The site will sometimes be a bit slow because they're just trying to update it every now and then, so yeah, just wait for it. Okay, there we go. So what you want to do is you want to click chapter 0 installation and setup, and then you want to click setting up your project, because that's what we need for this video. And you want to we're going to be clicking this in later in the video, so just keep CodaKit minimized. Just do that minus sign right there at the top. Press that, and then what you're gonna be, and then once you've done that, you've closed and you've minimized CodaKit. You wanna open up Unity. So you wanna go at the top and you wanna open up Unity. And I've already made my account, so I'm just gonna show you guys how to make your account. You shouldn't have an account, or maybe you do. If you have an account, sign in, you know what you're doing. But if you don't, create one. So what you want to, wait, let me open that again. I don't think you guys even saw. So what you want to do is, so wait for it to load. Okay, so it says sign into your Unity account ID. Sorry, if you don't have a Unity ID, please create one and press create one. And then what you want to have to do is have an email address. So you want to type in your email, you want to have a username, you want to have a password, and you want to have your full name, which is basically your full name. So like, for example, your name is, I don't know, Jacob, I don't know, something, Jacob whatever. You want to write Jacob, and then say your name is Jacob Dragon or something. You have the weirdest last name in the world. You say Jacob and then Dragon. And then once you've done that, you've entered all these 4 bars. You want to click I agree. I can't highlight it, but yeah, you can see it's ticked. I don't think you would need this one because I didn't tick it. I just ticked this one. So you need to agree to the terms of use and policy and privacy policy. So you want to tick that. And then you want to hit create a Unity ID. But then once you click that, it's going to ask you to verify your email address, so it knows you're not trying to be a fake account and it's actually you accessing it. So what you want to do is go log into your email. So what you want to do is, in this case, I use my iCloud email. So what you want to do is, I opened up iCloud, and then I want to go to mail, and then right here it says Unity, the Unity thingy, the Unity email, and it says link to confirm email. So this is what it's going to look like. It says thank you for creating a Unity ID. Click the below link to confirm your email. The link will expire in 15 days. So make sure you press on this email within 15 days. Click on this link within 15 days. So I'm just gonna click it now, and then it's gonna, and then once you access this, that I've already done it, so it's not valid anymore. So once you do this, you can just go back to Unity, and it will say that, and you can press continue or whatever button it will say for you, and then you can make your account. And it's gonna ask you some survey questions. Just tick whatever you want. I didn't really pay any attention to it. So yeah, but I already have an account, so I'm just gonna log in with that. So I'm just gonna log in. One sec, guys. Okay. And then you wanna type in your password. Okay, there we go. Okay. So we have to just wait for it to sign in. There we go, loading. And then once you're on the same page as me right here, you want to create a new project. So you want to go up to here where it says a new little page thingy, like a folder thing, and this is new, and you want to click on that, new, and then you want to say and then you want to name the project something. So I'm just going to name it Aryan IT for now, because I'm not actually making a game right now. And then you wanna locate it somewhere. So where you wanna locate it to? Okay, so what the location basically is where you wanna save the file to, like the actual game to. So we're just gonna click a location. Let's say, so you wanna click on the 3 dots. Let's go into the desktop and make a new folder called. So you make a new folder called coding, right? Coding with Unity. Okay? You want to press enter. You want to double click on the folder and press select folder. And that's it. That's the location. So that's where it's always going to be saved to. So whenever we want to see where like all the game code is and stuff, we go into coding with Unity, as you can see right there, and then you want to double click it, and then it comes. We haven't saved it yet, so there's nothing in here, but yeah, it would be here. So once we create this project, it would be inside here, and if we save it, it would be inside here. For you, this might be on or off, enable Unity thingy. This is just organization. I just kept it as my name, because you can change it to whatever you want, but I just kept this off. Just keep it off if you don't know what it is. And make sure to select 3D template. So yeah, make sure it's 3D, and then you want to press create project. And then it's going to create the project, and as you can see in this folder, it shows what we have. So if we open it, Aryan IT, which is the project name, and it shows assets, library, logs, packages, project settings, temp, which is template, and yeah, there's a lot of things. So we're going to close that now because we don't need that right now. And it's just going to do your project for you. It's just going to make your project, importing scripts, like all that stuff. You just gotta wait a bit, and then it should open you up to somewhere. Yep, it should open you up to Unity, where this is your project. So, if it brings you up with download new version, just to download a new version of Unity, just press skip new version, because this version I'm doing, I don't know if the game code will work with the new version, so I'm just gonna keep on doing this with the 2018.3.11 version. So firstly, as you can see, we are in, and I'm gonna tell you the controls to move, but don't move anywhere. I'm just gonna tell you the controls. So W is forward, obviously. So you need to hold right click while doing like everything. Like, so if you wanna move forward, you have to press right click first and then move forward. Otherwise, if you just press W, it won't work. So you have to press right click and move forward at the same time. And you can also look around with like right click. I don't know what left click does. I've never seen anyone use it, so I don't know what it does. But all I know is right click does everything. Left click, right, yeah, right click does everything. So don't move around because you might mess up the game. You might go under here, and this is what's gonna happen. And so don't do that. And it gets confusing. Like, see, look, now it's really confusing. You don't know where you are. It gets super duper confusing. So yeah, don't do that, please. Just stay where you were spawned at. So firstly, we're not going to code anything in this video. We're just going to import files that we need to code this game we're going to code. So firstly, go to the CodaKid website. As I said, we're going to be using the CodaKid website in this video. Go to CodaKid.com. I'll leave it in the description anyways. Log in to your account. And then we are gonna wait till this happens. Come on. And then you're gonna scroll down to Code Kart Racing with Unity and C#. So you wanna click on that. Okay, so now chapter 0 installation and setup. And then you want to click setting up your project. And then you want to click on Unity Package Installer. You want to click on that. And yeah, it will come up at the bottom right there. No, not this. Get away. Here, this right here. And it's just going to download. It says 2 minutes left. We're just gonna wait for it to download, and then it should be in your downloads folder in your file explorer. Yep, there it is, unconfirmed, blah blah blah, stuff like that. Wait, let me just here. So yeah, this is what it would be right there. So you're just gonna wait for it to download. As you can see, it's not fully downloaded. So, and it should look like this: CodaKid plus CodaKart plus V 1.7 and stuff like that. It would look like that. So that's when you know it's fully installed. We'll just wait for this to install. There's 1 minute left, so we'll just wait a minute. Wait for the grass to grow. Come on. Oh my God, no. 58, 57. 56, 59, 56, 53, 52. Wow, these are how seconds go up and down. Jeez, man. 47, 44, 46, 42, 45, 44, 41. Jeez, it's going fast now. Come on. Nearly done. Nearly done. We'll just wait. Okay, nearly done. 20 more seconds. 19, 18, network error. Okay, so once it is installed, you would have CodaKid plus CodaKart plus V.7, V.1.7, and then the parentheses 1.unity package, and you should have that. So then once you have that, you're gonna go exit Google, and you're gonna go and you're gonna double click on this, and it should come up on Unity. It should come up with the list of all of these things, a whole ton of these things, and you don't touch anything, just press import. That's all you gotta do. Double click, so all you're doing is double clicking on this, go to Unity and press import. Wait for it to import, and then you should see a whole ton of files down here where my mouse is. So we're just gonna wait for every single thing to import, and then we will see some files. And don't touch any of the files. We're gonna be looking at the files in some future videos, or maybe in the next video. I'm not sure, but we'll see. You'll see music getting downloaded, you'll see audio files, you'll see character files, you'll see loads of different files being downloaded just to play this game. So, not just to play, just to code this game. So, you'll see at the bottom in a sec, there's going to be files. files. Come on. Files. Come on. Nearly done. Just this much left. Come on. So close. Come on, so close. Yes. A little bit more. And as you can see, there are a whole ton. There's 5 files. There's 5 whole files of different like things. And don't press any of the files like I did just then, but you shouldn't click. You might accidentally delete something and then you would do something wrong and the game wouldn't even work properly. So yeah, so that is actually gonna be it for today's video. I hope you liked it. I hope you will comment, and I hope you will subscribe. I hope you found this helpful, and I'll see you on the next I'll see you all in the next video. Peace out.